I'm talking about the truth about SEO and AI today because there is a lot going on forums and Facebook groups and everywhere online that you can automate your SEO with AI today and gain massive amount of traffic, rank overnight, and just basically do well. And I want to say this is not true. Okay, people do this, right? They kind of pump out content out there and rank within a short period of time and share the results across the internet. And people are like, what? This is crazy. I can just use AI to pump out content and rank overnight. I want to tell you that what they don't share is after Google will wipe off those website off their crowd list in the next 6 months, they don't share those results. And we never talk about those results. We are still years away from automating your SEO, especially with AI. It's going to take a lot of time. Google, don't get this wrong. Google has not gotten less sophisticated. In fact, they have become more sophisticated. Technical SEO, when I mean technical SEO, is more valuable today than it has ever been, more important than it has ever been. Do not fall for this crap. Don't let people deceive you. The thing is, majority of people who claim they know SEO and do SEO don't rank. The reason is because people claim they know SEO, but don't actually know SEO. And they go by what people say, oh, you have to just pump content out there. In 6 months, you will rank. It doesn't work that way. I've been in the industry for more than 15 years, and I can tell you that will not work today. It didn't work yesterday. It's not going to work tomorrow. If you do that and gain a short-term result, like within few weeks, rank and continuously do that and think you're going to rank in another 3 months or 6 months, you are lying to yourself. Now, let me tell you why I said we're still years away from automating your SEO with AI. A lot of manual work is still required when it comes to SEO. When you get great content written with some of these AI tools, and I say Claude do a very good job, all right, right quality content, you still have to manually add in your inputs and either use a tool to kind of proofread and format that content in a way to make sense to humans and search engines. That's the first thing you need to do. Internal linking strategy. You can use AI to do that. Maybe there is an AI tool out there that can help you do your internal linking or proper internal linking strategy. But what we do is human hand is still required and work better than any other tool or any other AI tool that you know out there today. Another thing is when you create those images and add those images to your website, you need to definitely kind of define those images so Google understands what those images are all about. So adding alt text, you need human beings, you need human hands to be able to add alt text strategically to each image. And again, external linking, all right? You still need human beings to do it. AI will not do it for you. You need to go and link to a specific, strategically, the right external link and do that multiple times, sometimes in one article. So you still need human hands. And then when you are done, you need to also write your meta descriptions, or you can also get AI to write your meta description, but fix it at the right places. Make sure you are not overly kind of using your keywords. You are naturally using your keywords within your content. You are doing everything right, writing the right headings, writing the right subheadings. All of that require human hands. All right. So don't fool yourself or let people fool you and tell you that you can automate your SEO today with AI and rank and get quality traffic, especially when it comes to local competition. So local SEO, you are targeting a specific city, you are targeting specific audience for who, I mean, you are targeting a specific audience who want to sell their houses. We're talking of motivated sellers here. You're a cash buyer, you want to reach out to motivated sellers in a particular area for a particular reason. Maybe they are tired landlords, or, facing foreclosure, or, just inherited a property they don't want to deal with anymore. Or they are just, tired of the repairs and just want to sell that property. It's specific. AI is not going to help you do all these things perfectly as you need to do. There is what we call it, okay? It's basically Google trying to identify who writes this content. And Google want to rank people who they know have full knowledge of what they're writing. So it's not like just copy paste and run away and expect that content to rank. It's not going to rank. And I can promise you and guarantee you and bet that in the next 2 months, that website is not going to rank. Don't deceive yourself. Do SEO the right way. This is the reason why 90% of people who claim they know SEO or do SEO don't rank or don't rank over time. They will rank maybe 2 months and over time, zero traffic. You have to know SEO and do SEO right. This is what I keep preaching. And I am helping you today to remove that, ideology of you can automate your SEO and let it rank or get it to rank and get the quality leads that you need over time. Don't spend your time or waste your time investing in things that you don't know. Invest with the right person. Let us help you dominate your market with SEO. And again, if you feel like you can use AI to do SEO, we wish you good luck and we will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.